Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I had to wake up quite early because today I will be traveling to Mpumalanga, a province here in South Africa. And I'm traveling with my work colleague together with his family, and that's them. Mpumalanga is quite a large province in South Africa, but the one that we're traveling to is about 300 kilometers away from Johannesburg. And to go to that place, we have to take the famous panorama route. Morning!
Ay, nagkasosong ba?
Dudung! Bubot paging buhok ko Our first stop is in a place called Sabie. Sabie offers a unique blend of natural beauty and small town charm. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are at the Woodsman restaurant and pub to get some breakfast. And actually, we're waiting for another colleague that is traveling from a different place. Our colleague arrived and saw us our breakfast. Our second stop is in Falls. If you plan to buy some souvenirs for your travel here in Mpumalanga, Falls is the best place as far as I know in terms of quality and also pricing. Every time I visit Falls, I always try to buy something just to support the locals here. And in terms of pricing, they offer better deals compared to other souvenir shops in the area. If you forgot to withdraw some cash before traveling here, don't worry because they also have an option for card payment. My recommendation is to buy a wood-carved figures of the Big Five. Falls is a stunning double waterfall that drops 70 meters into a lush gorge. Named during the gold rush era by Scottish miners, the falls are a popular tourist attraction, offering picturesque views and a tranquil atmosphere. A short walk from the parking area leads to a viewing platform, providing an excellent vantage point to appreciate the fall's beauty. After that short sightseeing, it's time to move to the next destination. Our next stop is God's Window. Welcome to God's Window, a breathtaking gem located in Mpumalanga province of South Africa. The area is renowned for its rich biodiversity, from lush rainforests to vibrant wildflowers. God's Window is a haven for nature lovers. Visitors can explore numerous hiking trails, each offering unique perspective of the surrounding beauty. This stunning viewpoint offers an expansive panorama of the Lowveld, stretching out to the distant Limbombo Mountains and the border of Mozambique. Whether you visit at sunrise or sunset, the changing light creates a magical atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for reflection and photography. Our next stop is Graskop Gorge Lift. Welcome to Graskop Gorge, one of Mpumalanga's most thrilling attractions, offering a unique blend of adventure and natural beauty. We booked our accommodation at Mogodi Lodge, therefore our entrance here were waived. But to use the lift, we need to pay a separate fee. The Graskop Gorge Lift is the first of its kind in Africa. It descends 51 meters into the lush forests below, providing an unforgettable experience for all who visit. If you're into breathtaking adventures, you may try doing the zip line or the big swing. Otherwise, I highly recommend riding the lift to experience a thrilling descent into the gorge, offering a panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. At the same time, you can also enjoy a forest walk, a scenic views, and enjoy the natural beauty, including the waterfalls and diverse plant life.
Sina! How's it? Oh my god.
At the base of the gorge, a network of wooden walkways and suspension bridges takes you on an enchanting journey through the heart of the forest. Discover the rich biodiversity from towering trees and vibrant wildflowers to the various species of birds and insects that call this forest home. And here's how it looks for the big swing jump at the bottom of the gorge.
Ayo bay, tulbak kay ba ayo bay. Lagi. Ah. Awak muna. Dito. Kita hi ta dire. Ay balik ka dapat balik.
This ends the first part of my travel vlog in Mpumalanga. Thanks for watching.